Understanding Artillery Barrage, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, artillery barrage. This military term might sound complex, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. Whether you're an English learner, a history enthusiast, or just curious, this video is for you. So, let's get started. An artillery barrage refers to a method of warfare. It involves a large number of guns and cannons, known as artillery, firing a lot of shells at the enemy continuously over a period of time. This term comes from two key words: artillery, meaning heavy military guns, and barrage, which refers to a curtain of artillery fire intended to protect one's own troops or stop the enemy from advancing. Artillery barrage has a rich history. It was a common tactic used in major wars, especially World War I and II. Understanding this phrase gives us a glimpse into how battles were fought in the past. The use of artillery barrage often had a significant impact on the outcome of battles, demonstrating the power and strategy of military forces. While artillery barrage is a military term, it's sometimes used metaphorically in modern language. For example, you might hear someone say, "I faced an artillery barrage of questions during the interview." Here, it means facing a rapid, continuous stream of something. In this case, questions, which can feel overwhelming, just like the original military tactic. Pronouncing artillery barrage correctly is important for clear communication. Focus on the stress in artillery and barrage. The first part, artillery, has the stress on the second syllable, and in barrage, the stress is on the second syllable as well. Repeating these words a few times can help you get comfortable with their pronunciation. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, artillery barrage, better. It's not just a military term, it's a part of history and even our modern language. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.